Hello, my name is Trine Holt CLEMMENSEN, and I work at UCL University College in Denmark. As part of my PhD project, I have developed a questionnaire to help identify carer support needs when caring for a person with dementia. In this poster, I present the development and validation of the Dementia Carer Assessment of Support Needs tool, in short called DCAN. Caring for a person with dementia is associated with poor mental, physical, and social health, which makes it important to consider how informal carers are best supported in their caring role to preserve both their and the person with dementia's well-being. At present, a robust questionnaire to identify carer support needs does not exist. Also, existing questionnaires fail to take into account a conceptual framework developed for use in the context of carers focusing on both the carer role and carers' well-being. Therefore, the aim of this study was to develop a self-reported questionnaire, DCAN, to identify the support needs of carers and to test its phase, content, and structural validity. In Figure 1, you can see an example of the final Danish version of DCAN. A psychometric study was conducted in 6 steps using a combination of an interview and survey design. The process is illustrated in Figure 2. Participants were recruited in primary and secondary healthcare in 9 municipalities and 1 dementia clinic at a hospital in Denmark and through social media. In the first steps, items and response categories were generated based on interviews and a literature review. A person-centered approach using WHO's International Classification of Functioning, Disability and Health, ICF, was used as a conceptual framework to identify carer support needs. The following steps involved 3 rounds of pilot testing, including carers and experts in dementia care. Next, content validity index and cognitive interviews with carers were used to establish phase and content validity. Finally, a large-scale field test of the questionnaire was conducted using a survey design. Confirmatory factor analysis was used to investigate structural validity. Initially, DCAN was developed based on an item pool of 63 items. Iterative pilot testing of DCAN among experts and carers ensured phase and content validity by rephrasing and reorganizing items, and the item pool was reduced to 42 items. A total of 8 experts and 19 carers participated in the pilot testing. After this, the large-scale field test, including 301 carers and using a survey approach, resulted in a 25-item version of DCAN. You can see the demographic characteristics of the 301 carers participating in the field test in Table 1. The confirmatory factor analysis demonstrated a moderate fit to a 4-factor model based on the International Classification of Functioning, and this confirmed satisfactory structural validity of DCAN. So, in conclusion, DCAN is a 25-item carer-reported questionnaire that can be used to help identify carer support needs when caring for a person with dementia, to enable supportive interventions and improve carers' health and well-being. If you want to learn more about the development of DCAN, the results of this study have been published in International Psychogeriatrics. Also, I would like to remind you that DCAN can be downloaded for free in a Danish or English version at the website of spørgeskema.dk. A user manual about how to apply and score DCAN has been developed and can also be found at the website. Thank you for listening.